Today in Adobe Animate, we are going to make a shape tween. In our timeline, we're going to be working with frames, which are individual images in a sequence. And we're also going to be working with keyframes, which are the most important starting and ending action shots in a sequence. You can access this menu at any time by selecting the Control key on your keyboard and right-clicking with your mouse in the timeline. You're going to start by selecting the Shape tool, and we're going to draw an oval. You can actually change the color of this oval using the Paint Bucket tool and selecting different fill colors. We've inserted this oval on one keyframe. We're also going to insert more frames, maybe 3 to 5 to start, for the beginning action to occur within. Next, select Insert Keyframe for our next series of events to occur in. I've enabled onion skinning so I can see where my previous image was in the previous frames. I'm also going to delete this circle in the new keyframe so that I can have a different shape in this sequence of events instead. Don't worry, my circle will still live in the other frames, but in this new sequence I'm going to select a new color and I'm going to choose the rectangle tool to draw a new shape. And I'm going to place it on the opposite side of the stage as my circle was in. This is going to create movement across the stage when I animate. I'm also going to use the sub-selection tool just to change my shape a little bit until I'm happy with it. I'm also going to add more frames to this sequence. In my menu, I choose the Insert Frames option, and I add, again, about 3 to 5 frames, and I add a couple more to the previous sequence as well. I can always add more frames or take frames away. I can do this at any point in the animation process. So for now, I'm going to select the first frame, hold my Shift key down, and select the last to select all the frames. And I'm going to choose the shape tween. You're going to see that this section now will turn a brown color, and if I hit play, I'm going to be able to morph my circle into a rectangle shape. If I add more frames between the keyframes, I can change the speed of my animation. Here is my complete shape tween, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful in creating your own shape tweens in Adobe Animate.